Alright, so this is the tutorial for PhaceOut, and how I came up with this move. I was experimenting with Phased, and I've been wanting a cut to have a packet being dropped in there. I just thought it was really cool. So I was experimenting with Phased, and somehow I created my own variation, and while I was at it, I added a packet drop in there, so that's pretty much it. So as the name implies, you should already know how to do Phased. I'm not gonna teach you how to do it, but I'll put the link of the Phased tutorial in the description box down below so you can learn how to do that. And also, it has Dropout by Oliver Sogart, which you really don't need to know how to do that. All you do is just do a packet drop. That's pretty much it. So to do PhaceOut, you want to get into the face position like so, and you want to stop right here, right before you're doing the scissor cut. So you're gonna have this packet face up like that. And then you want to use your pinky fingers and also use your ring finger to clip the packet and just shift it a little bit so it lands on top of the middle ring and pinky fingers like so. So without that, it looks something like this. So you're holding this packet on the long edges instead of the short edges, what you would typically find in a scissor cut. So Phased, get to here, use your pinky and ring finger to pinch the packet and move it on top of your middle ring and pinky fingers. And then you want to curl in that packet there. And as you do that, you want to use this ring finger to fully rotate that packet. And that is a little bit of a stretch there, and like that. And as you do that, you want to curl in your fingers like so. And now from here, you want to use your thumb and pinky fingers to grab onto this packet here and grab it like that. And you want to have your ring finger curled in, preferably right next to that packet. And then from here, you want to use this packet, the packet that's in between the middle finger and thumb right here. You want to rotate it over that packet that's going to be dropped like that. And then from here, you just want to drop the bottommost packet into the base of your hand so you get ready for the drop. So how I do it is I extend my middle ring and pinky fingers once again, and then I just use a little bit of pressure from my ring finger, and I just let go of my thumb and just roll it off of your pinky like that. So it should look something like this, like that. Sometimes it will land flush with the bottommost packet. Sometimes it'll land like this. It really doesn't matter because you're gonna close it anyway and get back into this base position. So now you can pretty much do anything you want. You could do Phased again if you wanted to, but I usually do a closer which looks something like this. And how you do that is you want to use your index finger to rotate this packet just a little bit like this. And then now you want to rotate this a little bit and just close it like that. And that's basically PhaceOut. All right, so I'm gonna go over the flow of this cut. Basically how I do my flow is kind of smooth, but kind of fast paced a little bit. Depending on how you do your face, that's what the flow is gonna look like with PhaceOut. So if you do your face pretty fast and fluid, that's the kind of flow that you want for PhaceOut. So yeah, that's pretty much the only tip that I have as far as flow. But you can come up with your own flow where you can just do nice and slow and smooth like that. But yeah, so that is PhaceOut.